Oh, Ziggy. Look at this. And look at over here. Santa gave us. So this is why it was heavy.
Oh, yeah. What is that?
I think Zeke will.
I'm not getting any video of his Zeke with this
Mommy,
present.
I think we take a boy, roll it in that hole in school.
Okay, well let's go push over by Zeke. These are his presents. Show him what he's got.
Zeke, look at all this stuff for you. This is all your stuff. Look what Zeke got.
Oh, I think he likes the car. Did you get a car, buddy? Oh my goodness, look at that.
He got a brand new car.
Yeah. Wow.
Mommy, now I want to open this present.
Okay.
This one's easy to carry. This one's not heavy at all.
Okay, let's see what's in it.
Ooh.
Maybe we get the bumper
What
thing
is
for him.
this?
Sit in so we don't have to hold him up. Oh. I don't even know what she was.
Look what he got.
What is it?
I think it's a rocket ship
Yes!
with people in it.
Oh my gosh, Oakley, is that exactly what you asked for?
But it doesn't have people in it.
Let's look. It's okay. Just let it go. It's okay. Take pictures. Hey, do you see the people?
No.
I think they're in there. Look.
I can't see them. Look.
Here. Oh, they're right here. Look. On the sides. They're not in there yet. We gotta take it out of the box.
Okay, Mommy, can you help me?
Yeah.
I really want to play it.
Okay.
Can you get the rocket ship out too?